Hello guys, I welcome you back to the channel, and you'll see that if your laptop is having issue like this, as you can see it now, so you can see your device run into a problem and needs to restart it, and you see everything is just blow up. Okay, so what you are going to do now is to switch it off first. Okay, so you have to switch it off first. You just go to the power off, and so immediately you on it like this, just press F2, so that you press F2. Okay, so this is where I'm going to now. As you can see that I have pressed F2 here. So you will be able to see some options here, and this option is what you are going to follow right now. So you can see this take your you move to this area where you see system configuration. I see, can you see now? So you just have to click it like this, and immediately you see it, you come down to this place and you'll be able to see center operation. Okay, you click on it and you'll see this area now. So the next thing is to change this area. You can see this red on osh, and then so you take it back to this area. Okay, so you say yes. Okay, and you apply it, just apply it like this. Okay, so immediately you apply it like that, you go on exit. Okay, so you allow it to load up again, so it will load up itself. Okay, so it will pop up again. We now look at it right now. So it's okay, so it's loading now. Let's just see the changes, whether the changes is effective. So we'll see whether the changes is effective now. So let's see. Saying restart again. So you can restart it. You press the F2 again. Press the F2 again. Press the F2. So just look at it again as it's coming up right now. Wow. Okay, the system is back. The system is back. So that is the simple way to take your system back from the blue face. Okay, so anytime you see it like that, that is exactly what we are going to do. And it took me a lot of stress and money before I could get this. You can now see my system is back right now, guys. What do you see with this simple method? Okay, guys, so if you find this tutorial helpful, consider to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for my next update, guys. Peace.